what would you say to somebody who is thinking about working at plant companies right now?
Well, you know, if anybody that wants to work for plant companies, you have to have customer service. You know, it has to be something that, you know, you can't be trained for that. It has to come within you. And it's basically just having, you know, if you've been raised, you know, with manners, you know, if you have the qualities of having, you know, communicating with people, looking at people in the eye when you're talking to them, you know, if you have that naturally in you, you know, and you want a company that's going to turn around and give you as much as you give in, it's definitely a place to come and work for. You know, you have a team of guys that, you know, they work with you, they help you, you know, they never say no to you. I've never been told no. You know, anytime I have a question, anytime that I want to be taught something. And not only that, but plant companies has something that's called oracles, where, you know, they train you. Like, you know, you want to, it's not only security, they do janitorial, super, property management, like they're expanding. So if you're looking for a career, you're looking for something that, you know, plant is a place to go, man. They have all the tools there for you to succeed. There's no way you cannot succeed in what you want. They have everything there for you, you know?